Day 21. Right, what a day. Basically we're back in the flat, but there is so much to do. So we've spent the morning removing the shelves because they put them back up in completely the wrong place, which isn't their fault, but at the same time, so we've been doing that in the kitchen and redoing the kitchen. I've been redoing the bedroom, getting everything back in place. There's still loads to do, but I'm off to my midwife now. I've got an appointment with her, so that's always nice. Hopefully you hear the baby heartbeat and things like that, and just check everything's all going well. And then tonight we're off to the Nutcracker Valley, so that is the highlight of the day. The rest is going to be a bit dull, I'm afraid, but I will show you around the flat when it's all done, which probably won't be today, but I'll show you some stuff later on. Okay, see you in a bit. Hi everyone! Okay, so we are now out in the town. Again, it was quite funny actually because we went to meet my parents at a restaurant that didn't quite understand that we were coming as well, and they didn't have any space for us. So Stephen and I ended up in McDonald's, which happens very rarely, but just needed to happen because we had very little time. So now we're walking back to the Coliseum and we found the most beautiful street full of bookshops. So of course Stephen is having a look around. So I thought I would just catch up. Everything went really well at the midwife, heard the heartbeat, I love it. So now I'm going to show you what Stephen is looking at the books. Coliseum. How beautiful is it?
What have you got here?
Oh. And Mum's here. Hello. And Dad's here.
Hello.
And so is Dad. And I will only do a little bit of filming because I know it's pretty naughty, but it's so pretty.
This is Hobbs, who is waiting for his calendar treat. And Tigger, who is waiting for her calendar treat. And we're really sorry because the calendar is just not here. So we're going to say happy... No. There you go. And Tigger.